Hello everyone, greetings from Montessori Country Day School. Today I am going to show you a language work from Montessori area which is called Classification of Objects. With this work you can introduce many types of classifications to your child. Today I am going to show you farm animals and zoo animals. This is a very easy work which you can make at home by using the objects from your child's toy box or printing the pictures from the internet. First, explain the vocabulary to your child. Farm animals, the animals that live on the farm. Zoo animals, the animals that live in the zoo. This is a cow. Where does a cow live? On a farm. This is a lion. Where does a lion live? In the zoo. This is a giraffe. The giraffe lives in the zoo. This is a pig, and a pig lives on the farm. Horse lives on the farm. You can go on and on like this. Goat lives on the farm. Hippo lives in the zoo. Donkey lives on the farm. A leopard lives in the zoo. And a gorilla lives in the zoo. This is a fun work and which help your child to establish the vocabulary also. What is farm animal, what is zoo animal, and your child learns to recognize and name the animals also. Happy learning. Thanks for watching.